Hi guys! Sorry about my voice. If you watched my last video, you know that I've been very sick, so my voice is raspy. We went to Walmart to do a grocery shopping trip and we needed to fill in some things. We don't normally eat this all in a week. It's definitely stretched out throughout the month. And we also needed to grab things for the blizzard. I didn't need a lot of things like meat and produce, just a lot of snacky things and fill-ins. So let's get started. I got my daughter her yogurt bites in banana and strawberry. I grabbed one mozzarella cheese and one triple cheddar cheese, frosted strawberry Pop-Tarts and brown sugar Pop-Tarts, apple juice, queso, these Mio enhancers, two of the fruit punch and one of the grape, a thing of green tea. I am a big tea drinker. Turkey pepperoni, a Hershey syrup, beets, two of these chicken Vienna sausages, the variety pack of chewy granola bars, a thing of Cheez-Its, saltine crackers, and a big 3-pound box of Elbows, 2 Kool-Aids, one in cherry and one in charcoalberry fin, some Fruity Pebbles, some popcorn flavoring, the nacho cheddar kind, sweet and dried mango slices, the sun-dried tomato puffs, chicken patties, ice cream, 2 of the mixed veggies, 2 of the turkey brown and served sausage, a box of classic corn dogs, and pizza. Also got my son these apple banana go-go squeezies. And got her some whole milk and some 1% milk. Grabbed what seemed to be the last pack of flour tortillas. People were grabbing them like crazy. Hamburger buns, bagels, and white bread, and 2 packs of hot dogs. Also grabbed my daughter these fruit and yogurt squeezy pouches, a Little Munchers veggie container, Chobani yogurts. I got 2 of the blueberry beef breakfast, cinnamon bun fun, almond cocoa loco, and the butter crunch blast. That looks good. I grabbed turkey from the deli and cheese from the deli, 2 of these cheese dip and breadstick snacks. Also grabbed a thing of eggs, some off-brand Doritos, chicken nuggets, fries, 4 things of ramen. Got 2 in the beef and 2 in the chicken, mini pretzels, the Boom Chicka Pop popcorn. I haven't tried this yet, but it seems really good. 1 of the low-calorie grape Gatorades, my silk almond unsweetened milk. I grabbed 2 of these peanut butter crackers and then 1 of these. Like I said, we eat a lot of these in the house. I was able to find basically just this flavor at my store, the tomato basil. Like, everyone was grabbing them. I got some Diet Dr. Thunder. We got fudge mint cookies and fudge covered peanut butter cookies. Those will last for a while. Some rainbow goldfish. One of the last boxes of mac and cheese. And the cans. We got vegetable soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken rice with veggie soup, chicken herb and dumpling soup, and green beans. I got my son this superhero shaped pasta and mixed vegetables. Also, I grabbed a 4-pack of the black beans. We eat a lot of these. And last but not least, we got the Easy Twist jar opener, and I got myself a 6-foot cord because my cord was so small and becoming annoying to use. And that is my haul. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe. It would mean a lot. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.